Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the install media and verifying firmware. On the working PC, download the official Windows 11 ISO and use a tool to make an 8 GB plus bootable USB. Make sure your new machine has TPM2, Zero and Secure Boot enabled in UEFI. This prevents install errors and meets Microsoft requirements. Once the USB is ready, plug it into the new PC and power on. Immediately enter UEFI to set USB as the first boot device. When you boot the installer, choose Language and click Install Now to begin. You will be asked for a product key. You can enter it now or skip and activate later, which keeps momentum. Choose Custom Installation to manage partitions. Delete old partitions on the target drive, create a new one so Windows configures system partitions, then format it and continue. Make sure to pick the correct drive. Once you proceed, the installer copies files and reboots automatically to continue setup. Once Windows finishes copying files, you'll walk through OOB. Pick region, connect to network, choose a local or Microsoft account, and set privacy options. After the desktop appears, install manufacturer drivers starting with chipset, storage, network, then GPU to ensure stability and performance. If you hit errors or the installer stops, make sure Secure Boot and TPM settings match requirements, recreate the USB from a fresh ISO, and run memory or disk diagnostics to rule out hardware faults before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.